If you thought text-to-video and image-to-video were amazing, get ready for a real revolution. The new Elements feature in Kling version 1.6 AI video generator is here to change the game forever. With Elements, you no longer need compositing software like Nuke or Fusion, complex 3D modeling, time-consuming rendering, or heavy programs like Blender, Maya, or 3ds Max. Now, with just a few clicks, you can turn images into stunning cinematic videos and create professional animations. In this special tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to use the incredible Elements feature to bring your ideas to life with breathtaking videos and eye-catching animations in the shortest time, with the highest quality, and without expensive hardware. Are you ready? Let's explore the power of Elements.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
We start by visiting the Kling AI website. At the top of the homepage, you'll find three main features: AI Image, AI Videos, and the New Effects section. Clicking on any of them will take you to the relevant page. A bit further down, there's a gallery showcasing AI-generated works in two categories: image and video. Clicking on any of these opens a details window where you can view the video or image in a larger size. This window also displays the prompt used to generate the content. By clicking on the three-dot icon, you'll find the option to download the item. To create an account and sign in, I click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. As you can see, you can sign up using a Google account, an Apple account, or a personal email. I select Sign In with Google and choose one of my logged-in Gmail accounts. Just like that, my account is created, and I enter the Kling AI Video Generator dashboard. In the top right corner, clicking on the profile icon opens the account settings and the Sign Out option. Next to the profile icon, clicking on Upgrade Plan allows you to review different subscription plans and their credits. At the time of this tutorial's release, creating an account gives you 166 free tokens per month, which you can use for the platform's services. These tokens automatically recharge every month. Of course, these plans may change in the future, and there are no guarantees. The free plan has many limitations, so if you want full access to all AI features, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. But is it worth paying for? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your answer. It's important to note that Kling AI is not sponsoring me in any way. I am simply a content creator aiming to introduce you to some of the world's top AI tools. To create my first video, I click on the AI Videos option in the left-hand menu. In the new page, I can access the gallery of previously generated videos on the right side. The left panel offers a variety of video creation tools. The Text-to-Video tab allows you to generate videos from text prompts. The Image-to-Video tab enables AI-driven animation of images, turning them into videos and animations. The Lip Sync tab converts text into speech and syncs it with a character's lip movements. I will cover all these AI video features in future tutorials. For this tutorial, I select the Image-to-Video tab and activate the Elements feature. Make sure that the latest Kling version, currently 1.6, is selected in the Video Model drop-down in the top left corner. The Elements feature is not available in earlier versions. But what exactly does Elements do? The Elements feature in Kling is an incredible tool that allows you to create a live-action video using just a few selected images. Simply upload 1 to 4 custom images in JPG or PNG format, ensuring each file is no larger than 10 megabytes and has a minimum resolution of 300 pixels. Next, select the main subjects in your images, such as people, animals, objects, or scenes, and describe their actions and interactions in the prompt box. Kling processes this information to generate a video that intelligently brings your images to life. Now, let's see this feature in action. I click on the first slot and select Upload an image. I choose my first image from my hard drive and upload it, in this example, a picture of Spider-Man. Once uploaded, the image thumbnail appears in the first slot. Next, I click on the second slot and upload another image, this time, Batman. The thumbnail for the second image appears in its place. Then, I click on the third slot and upload my final image, which serves as the background where my scenario takes place. After uploading, its thumbnail appears in the third slot. Now I scroll down to the prompt box and enter my idea. I have a pre-prepared prompt that I paste into the text box. The prompt describes Spider-Man and Batman walking together in a beautiful landscape. Further down, in the settings section, I select the mode option. There are two modes, standard and professional. The standard mode generates videos faster and is available in the free plan, while the professional mode provides better video quality but is only available in premium plans. In the duration section, I choose whether the video will be 5 or 10 seconds long. Below that, the aspect ratio section lets me select between vertical, horizontal, or square formats. If you're creating content for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, a vertical or square format is ideal. However, since I'm creating long-form YouTube videos, I choose the horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio. The generating count section allows control over the number of videos generated per process. Higher counts are only available in premium plans. Below that, the negative prompt box lets me specify elements I don't want in my video. For example, if I don't want characters to have tattoos, I simply enter the word tattoo in this section, and the AI will exclude it from the generated video. After finalizing these settings, I click Generate, which deducts 20 tokens from my balance. My request enters the queue, and within a short time, the video is ready. The result is astonishing. As you saw in this tutorial, we created a Hollywood-style animation using the Elements feature in Kling AI. There are no longer any limits to filmmaking and animation. Your only limitation is your imagination. The download button is located below the video frame. One important note: in the free plan, videos include a watermark. To remove it, you need to subscribe to a premium plan. When I hover over the three-dot icon below the video, a drop-down menu appears with a delete button to remove the video. Now, let's take it a step further and include celebrities in our AI-generated videos. To do this, I first delete the previous images from the slots by clicking on the trash can icon. Then, I click on the first slot and upload a new image, this time, Jennifer Lopez. The thumbnail appears in the first position. Next, I upload another image, Will Smith, which appears in the second slot. I scroll down to the prompt box and paste my new prompt, which describes Jennifer Lopez and Will Smith having a friendly conversation. Without changing any other settings from the previous example, I click Generate, and another 20 tokens are deducted from my balance. My request enters the queue, and within a short time, the video is ready. The result is unbelievable. As you saw in this tutorial, we placed Hollywood celebrities together using the Elements feature in Kling AI. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something new, it's time to smash that like button. More amazing AI tutorials are on the way, and they're going to blow your mind. Want to take your learning experience to the next level? Subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming video. Remember, AI is the future, embrace it today. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, because we've got another exciting lesson coming your way.